Hey guys, we're here today to blow up these two sheds. We want to show you the difference in quality between a Black's building and a big box store building. So we're going to put it through a litany of tests.
We're going to throw a baseball as hard as we can up against these buildings. We're even going to shoot a potato launcher up against these, okay, and see what happens. And then lastly, we're going to tackle them and see what we can do with them.
So once again, guys, thank y'all for watching our videos. We really enjoy making them. I hope y'all enjoy the video today. Let's open this box and see what's inside, folks. This is what awaits you when you buy one of these storage sheds at the big box store. This is what you're in for. So let's see what we're working with here.
Voila.
What in the world are we supposed to do with this? It looks like there's about 15,000 pieces in here. Oh, maybe in this big bag of goodies that we've got. Don't you guys look forward to doing this at home?
For framing.
So,
is this for the wall or is this for the roof?
Our storage buildings don't use any of this.
Maybe 1/16 of an inch thick framing.
Look at the sturdiness of this, guys. Look at this sturdiness. I mean, you know, what can we do with this?
I feel like I could just go.
It's gonna take us 5 to 6 hours to build.
Matthew, I don't see the 1 inch thick flooring.
There is no 1 inch thick subflooring here. Just to be clear, this shed that you buy, $600 or so, it leaves a lot to be desired. Parker, your job now, in addition to what you do, is to make videos of these outtakes. This is the days and lives of Black's buildings, but we want people to see like who we are. We're having a good time.
All right, guys, this is gonna test the thickness of the metal. Let's see if it can take a fastball.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Hello!
All right, we're gonna try that again, right?
Yeah.
We can do better than that.
We can keep practicing, Parker. Hello!
It's a little dented in. We're gonna go inside and see if we can bend it out. There you go, good as new. Perfect.
Throwing a baseball up against the wall of the metal shed as if someone's tagging up from third going home. I'm gonna really try to get this thing dented. Y'all ready? We got 1, 2, 3 dents. Not a lot of penetration there. As the other one, I mean, literally like the wall was trying to cave in. We're gonna throw Parker into it.
That means me.
Right. Hello! Woo! Goodness.
Oh, nice catch.
Super minimal. I mean, Parker is a beast, guys. And he freaking rammed into this. I literally saw no flex.
This is the potato gun test. This is a real world example of what hell may do to your building.
I didn't know if it was gonna blow straight through it or just dent it a little bit, but man, that is straight structural damage. Look at that.
And this is how our building holds up to a potato launcher. Then you just go. Oh, look, this is what they've got in that shed. So, I mean, it's like, you know, what is this really? Does this really count as security? No, come over here. Let me show you this Black's building. This Black's buildings, I mean, we build our buildings tough. We stand behind them. We offer lifetime warranties. Watch this. I mean, you know, somebody's gonna have to work at it, and you're gonna hear it by the time they get those 4 licks in there. So really, guys, which one would you rather? A nice, strong Black's buildings or a cheap big box store building? So you saw how secure our main door is. Watch our auxiliary door here. Nobody's getting in this thing. They're really gonna have to want to
Come on, baby.
Give it the old college shot. No. That door's solid. Even if your Black's buildings got broken into, y'all check this out. Our doors, they still work. What about these doors? Y'all think these still work?
Hold this.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
That's how you get through it.
Baseball bat.
Hey, kids play hard. What happens if your kid hits your shed with a baseball bat? Yeah. How you doing today? We're just doing a commercial for my business. We're testing one of our sheds versus a big box store shed. So we're just we shot it with a potato gun. We're throwing baseballs into it. At the end, we are gonna put some Tannerite and we're gonna blow them up, but it's at the very end of the property. We've already got permission.
Okay. Do you mind meeting us down there so you can just kind of show us everything?
If you want to pull me down there, I'll ride with you down there and I'll show you.
Do you mind if I pat you down before you get my car?
I'll just walk down there.
Okay.
Yeah. Fun times here at Black's Buildings. You know, we go above and beyond. We put it all on the line. We push it to the limit because we always want to do the best we can do, be the best we can be. We're going to go down here and meet these friendly sheriff officers and just kind of show them what we're doing here. So they see me rolling, they hating. We're not doing anything. We've got this whole backstop of this hill. The buildings are going to be placed right here. So we've already let the neighbors know. We stopped at everybody's house. We talked to them about what we're doing. They're all totally cool.
What's the video going to be posted on?
Black's Buildings. So that's my company. We're right on Briskin Lane here, right next to where the used to be the gun room. Yep, now the firearm pharmacy. So you see all the sheds there, that's our business.
Are we going to be in it?
If you'd like to be. So the police came, obviously, we talked to them, told them what we were doing. Everything's good, guys. We're not doing anything illegal, we're just having a good time and they're cool with that. This is the drag test. It can do better than that. This is the drag test, part 2. Yep, that's what I thought. Yep, it's not gonna be dry storage anymore. This building did not hold up to the drag test. Let's see what a Black's Buildings can do. Overdrive.
Good job.
Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty nice movie.
That's on there pretty good. Yank it off. Look at that.
So the tie rod broke.
No, honey, I swear. It was just a handle that broke.
Good as new. I mean, I don't know what Polaris is doing with these things nowadays. They're junk. Here comes the building.
Did you get it out?
I got my shoes both out. Trust the process, guys. It's all about the process. Steering the world right there.
We finally got that shed where it needs to be after it got stuck on this tree. This tree made the side-by-side get stuck. Matthew was being super aggressive with the handle and it broke, and then his tire rod broke. Then he went to go get his truck to get the shed winch cable out of the way and unstuck, and then he got his truck stuck. But after all of that, It's set up, we're ready to go.
All right, guys. All right, so now we're mixing up some Tannerite, guys. We're really gonna put these sheds to the test. We're gonna blow them to smithereens. Let's see what they do. You gotta pour this aluminum oxide, don't try this at home, kids, into the container here. Make sure you get it all in there. Don't get any on yourself because it'd be a bad thing. 22. Shake it up. You want to get all of that aluminum oxide mixed in on those pellets. Then we're going to pour it in our bucket here. So we're not going little here, guys. We're going big. Black building, go big or go home. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. We're about to blow this thing to smithereens.
I'm hoping you make it, little buddy. 3, 2, 1.
It survived. It made the explosion.
Guys, look at this, holy goodness. We had 10 4-inch solid cement cap blocks right here, blown to smithereens, like literally a foot down in the ground.
I don't know, officer, I don't see a small storage shed. I don't know what you're talking about.
But yeah, it totally blew me back, like I'm still spaced out right now.
We don't know how this is gonna work out, honestly, but we feel really good that our buildings are gonna hold up. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Let's find out.
Oh my God, that was crazy. Let's assess the damage here.
The tornado came through, guys, so, you know, we knew our sheds were good, but let's be real, they're not gonna hold up to a freaking explosion with Tannerite.
Look, the football made it.
Look, guys, the keys are still here. Great shed for your money. You're not gonna beat it. Look at the strength of our floor. This, we give credit to our industry-leading floor system. We use a 1-inch thick subfloor. The floor is still here, and your foundation is still here, just like anything else in life, guys. If you build it on a strong foundation, it's built to last. But we 100% stand behind our product, and we think our product still stands behind us here. So, you know, we guarantee, unless an act of nature comes, such as a tornado or some kind of rare explosion, that our shed is gonna hold up. Your kids playing in your yard, run into it, your weed eater, your mower runs into the side of it, our shed will still stand. And if you don't believe us, we offer a lifetime warranty to back it up.